Hey guys, and welcome back. So I know that the Sephora sale is still going on right now, and I thought that I would do a video showing you guys my favorite all-time Sephora Holy Grail products. So these are products that I will constantly repurchase, products that I swear by, and things that I'll usually stock up on during the sale. So these are kind of like my favorite products of all time in each category that you can buy at Sephora. So you can do the 20% off. And I know that each tier, like Rouge, VIB, all the different ones kind of have like different dates, but it's all going on like right around this time. I think Rouge is right now, and then it's VIB. I don't know. I will try to remember to put the dates down below, but I'm sure you guys get the emails if you shop at Sephora of when the dates are when you can shop the sale. So I'm showing you guys just like my favorite products, and I'm gonna start kind of like in the order that I do my makeup most days. So we're just gonna jump right in. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That really supports my channel. Subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the bell by my name if you wanna see when my videos are uploaded, so when they come on. So anyways, I hope you all enjoy. So we're gonna start off with my first absolute favorite product. I'm just making sure this is correct. And this is one that I actually have on right now. I just did a makeup tutorial for Instagram using cream products. And this is the BECCA Backlight Priming Filter. I love their products like for creams and for highlights. It's just so natural and dewy. And this is one that I obviously swear by because you can see that it's almost gone. I have a backup waiting to be used. So this is the Backlight Priming Filter. It's super dewy. It's super hydrating, super glowy. I use this for primer. But yeah, I'll put some on my hand so you guys can see it. This is what it looks like. I sometimes will wear this like just by itself, like, and it'll make your skin glow. So if like you want to have a day where you're feeling like pretty confident in your skin and you don't want to wear makeup, like I highly recommend just putting this on because it'll just make your skin glow from within. Literally, it's like my favorite primer, hands down. I'm just really into glowy, dewy primers right now. And sometimes I'll do like a little bit of a more long wearing primer like in my T-zone, but that is amazing. Thank me later. It took me a while to get on that bandwagon. So anyways, we're gonna move on to foundation and my concealer. One of my Holy Grail foundations that I've used for years and years that I love is the GIORGIO Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I have this one on right now. It's very like, I wanna say it's a light coverage. It's more of a medium coverage. I feel like it's a light to buildable medium, you know what I mean? So it's very dewy, very glowy, very natural. And this is just a beautiful, beautiful foundation. If I'm feeling confident in my skin, I will use this. Like I did not mix it with anything else today. So another one that is quickly becoming my favorite that I think I like even more than GIORGIO Armani is the LANCôME Teint Idole Ultra Wear. This one reminds me exactly of this one, except it is a little bit more full coverage, which I love. So I absolutely love this one. I think I'm gonna buy another one during the sale because it's that good. And then for concealer, this one I have been using every single day. I have not been able to put this concealer down, and this is like my favorite concealer I've ever used in my life. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This one is insane. Like I love it. It reminds me so much of all of my favorite concealers combined into one. It's full coverage, it's healthy and glowy and vibrant, but it's super full coverage. So I love the Tarte Shape Tape, but it's just a little drying for me. So this one is not too drying, and I love it. I can't put it down. And I'm sure y'all are sick of seeing it in my Instagram tutorials because I use it nonstop. Next up, we have powders. So these are like my Holy Grail powders of all time, and I'm kind of showing you guys like my new, I know that there was a video that was kind of trending for a while that was like my new Holy Grails like replacing, and this is kind of like that too, because I'm showing you guys like my favorite powders, but like this one's honestly my favorite. Like Laura Mercier, I loved you for years and years. I still love you, I still use you, but I reach and gravitate more towards this Hourglass Veil translucent setting powder more because it's even more translucent, more natural, and I love that because I don't really like powders. Like today I did this cream look and all I used for powder was this for under my eyes because literally my eyes are creasy. I have wrinkles under my eyes, and it'll be a creasy mess if I don't use powder. I didn't want to ruin the whole makeup look, so I did use this. Absolutely love. Highly recommend, highly recommend. I actually have a video doing a wear test and a review on this, so obviously you know I love it. But okay, so I'm trying to go in order here. So I'm gonna show you guys my favorite blushes of all time from Sephora. I have quickly become obsessed with this Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop blusher in the shade First Love. It's just so natural, it's so beautiful. Sometimes when I'm doing such an intense look, I don't want a lot of color on my cheekbones or on the apples of my cheek, so I Love this. It's still enough color, like it's peach, but it's so nude at the same time. So I love that one. It's hard to find good natural blushes like this. So I love. And then another one that I love for when I'm doing like just ultra dewy, ultra cream looks is the Sephora Airbrush blush. And I believe, I don't know, like I've talked about this a lot, but every time I look, it's like, it's either out of stock or it's on sale. So I'm like, are they discontinuing it or what? I don't know. I hope not, because honestly, airbrush products are so natural and so beautiful. So love it. And I need to get more during the sale. I need to remind myself to do that. All right. So next up, I have one eye product that I'm obsessed with that I will buy over and over again, like over and over and over again. So this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid Liner in in Midnight Cowboy. Y'all, this glitter liner is the best. I have so many tutorials on my Instagram using this liner because it will make my makeup it'll make my look. It's the star of the show. It makes my eyes pop. I love this stuff, and it's my secret weapon, which now I've revealed to everyone. But I love it so much, and it's amazing, and I don't know what I'd do without this. I bring it everywhere. Like if I'm traveling, this is coming with me, like no doubt. And if I forget it, I will have to buy some whenever I get to wherever I'm going. So that is that. Anyways, so moving on to highlighters. These are my all-time favorite highlighters. I'm doing a cream and also a powder. So I'm really into cream products, as you can see. And this is a product that is multi-use, and I love it for a lot of different things. And this is another BECCA product. It's the Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid. So I have like a lot of powders from them too, but I'm really just, I love this product. This is in the shade Champagne Pop. This is like the collab with Jaclyn Hill. I love this because you can mix this in your foundation. You can do this as like a base. You can do this as a cream highlighter, which I did today. And it's just so natural, and it just makes your skin look so alive and so radiant. And I just love this product. It's like a ride or die for me. It's something that I will continue to buy. Love stuff like that. And then as for powder highlights go, I am obsessed and always bring the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighters with me, like everywhere. I love them so much. And one that I'm obsessed with, the one that I bought first, is the Chic Freak and Girl Next Door. So I guess this is Girl Next Door and this one's Chic Freak over here. Absolutely obsessed. Like I love a pinky highlight. I'm just really obsessed with that right now. And oh, she nailed this formula. Absolutely nailed it. Nailed the packaging. There's some things I don't like, the concealer and the powder, like the under eye powder. I returned that because I did not like it. I also have this Mean Money and Hustle Baby. Now I will say this is a little too light for me, but I do like to use it to highlight like certain parts of my face, like my Cupid's bow and stuff like that. So it is a very natural and very pretty, and I love that they have two different formulas in here. One's a little bit more natural, one's a little bit more intense. So I love Fenty Beauty. Love, huge supporter. Okay, so moving on to setting sprays. These two I am obsessed. This one is a ride or die. I will always buy. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I've talked about this a million times. It will make your skin so dewy, so vibrant, so beautiful. I'm so obsessed with this. Like, I'm obsessed. It always, like, it goes with me everywhere. It really does. And another one that's quickly becoming a holy grail for me and a huge favorite is the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. It's 24 karat gold infused. How luxurious is this? And it's glass and it has a little gold. Like this is luxury at its finest. It smells amazing. It feels amazing. It says base hydration. So you can use this as a base. You can use it as a setting spray. I absolutely love it. I brought it on my last trip with me and I'm sure I'll bring it again. Like it's kind of one of the things, like I bring them both because I'm like, and I end up using this one. So moving on to lips, I have a few products here. This is a lip liner that I always have in my purse. This is something that I can't go without. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Liner. Absolutely love it. It's so versatile. It's like a nice pinky nude liner. I have it on under my lip gloss right now. It's just so pretty and so natural. It can go on literally, it can be used for like every skin tone. I love it. And then moving on to lip glosses. So this Marc Jacobs Sugar used to be a holy grail for me, and it still is sort of, but I would say easily the Fenty Beauty gloss bombs have taken over, and I absolutely love them so much. They are so beautiful. I have it on right now. They just make your lips look so luscious, so beautiful. And I would include Over the Top lip gloss by Dose of Colors in this, but you can't buy that at Sephora, so I didn't do that. That's like my that's like my turn it up lip gloss. But anyways, these are amazing too. I love them. I don't even know which shade I like more. I'm kind of leaning more towards Fussy, the newer one, but I absolutely love them both. They're beautiful. One more thing that I forgot to mention was Huda Beauty eyeshadows. I was thinking like, what's my favorite eyeshadow at Sephora? And it would be Huda Beauty. The shadows are absolutely beautiful. Pigmentation is on point, and I love these little obsession palettes. I talk about them all the time. I have the mauve, the ruby, which is my newest one, which I love red eyeshadow. Like look how beautiful those and vibrant. Oh, these colors are. And then I have the coral. Love this one, especially for summer and spring. Look how beautiful. They're so freaking pretty, and they're great for travel if you want to just carry one on for travel for a nice pop of color. I usually don't travel with these bigger ones. Sometimes I'll travel with bigger palettes if they're new and I'm like really excited about them, and I just want to like share with you guys some looks. But I absolutely love these obsession palettes. I highly recommend trying one of these out during the sale. They have tons of different shades and colors. And that is all that I have for makeup. I don't have any skincare really right now. I could go do that, but my camera's about to die and I have to go to work. My boss texted me and was like, you have to be on time today. We're doing inventory. And I'm like, oh crap. So I gotta go, but I hope that you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts, follow me on Instagram so you can watch my stories every day, because I post there pretty much every single day, sometimes too much in a day. But anyways, I love you guys. Let me know again what you're getting down below for the sale. Let me know your holy grail items at Sephora, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.